You know, a lot of people have been wanting me to release this song right here, and I remade it in prison about 20 years ago, right, to my mom. And this goes out to all of the people out there that may have lost their mom. But I wrote this, and it's a timeless piece. You know, this is something personal. Rhonda, Terry, Reggie, William, y'all know what we went through, you know what I mean? So I dedicate this to Mom, but this is one of the songs I want to put behind it. I want you to sing it, Rhonda, and we'll make it strictly for Mama, you know what I mean? But here we go, you know. This is one of the verses, and I'm just going to give you a taste, you know. When will I see you again? It's the question that I'm asking. Certain songs come on, I can still hear you laughing, holding back the tears through the years that's been passing. Blessed with heart of gold, the spiritual compassion, and even though things wasn't always peaches and cream, hard as hell as it seemed, we worked as a team, and you was quick to kiss your babies for a job well done. The love connection you projected for a job well done. You tried your best to give us it all, but no always able. Struggled hard with your job to keep food on the table. Never lacking in love, always prayed for your peeps. And in attacking them thugs, you was brave to your heartbeat. Always told me to keep my mouth closed when adults was speaking. Felt your baby being harassed, you was the first one creeping, Mama, you wasn't no punk, you let it be known up front. You put your hands on one of her babies, ain't nothing but blown up funk. Wouldn't hesitate to come to the school when a vibe was needed, and she was quick to give another mother's child some love. You get depressed, you go to my mama, she giving you smiles and hugs. Yeah, I know. That's just a sample of what I wanted to give you, because that's what it mean to me, you know. When will I see you again?